You connect to the free Wi-Fi at a cafe. You check your email, log into an account, maybe your bank. It all feels normal. But someone nearby could be sitting silently between you and the internet, reading everything you send. Normally, when you use the internet, your device talks directly to a website server. Your request goes out, the response comes back. Simple. A man-in-the-middle attack breaks that line. The attacker secretly positions themselves between you and the server. Now everything you send and everything you receive passes through them first. To you, nothing looks wrong. The page loads normally, but they can see, and sometimes change, the data flowing through. Public Wi-Fi is the perfect hunting ground, and there are two common ways this happens. First, the fake hotspot, also called an evil twin. An attacker sets up a network with a trustworthy name like Free Cafe Wi-Fi. Connect to theirs by mistake, and every bit of your traffic goes straight through their device. Second, even on a real network you're sharing with strangers, an attacker can trick your device into routing its traffic through them instead of the real router, without you ever knowing. Either way, the result is the same. They're in the middle, quietly watching. Here's the important part, and some good news. Most major websites today use HTTPS encryption, shown by the padlock in your browser. That scrambles your data, so even if an attacker intercepts it, they see gibberish. But the danger isn't gone. They can try to push you onto fake, unencrypted sites, serve a phony login page to steal your password, or grab anything sent over a connection that isn't properly encrypted. Tip 1. Use a VPN. This is your strongest defense. It encrypts all your traffic in its own tunnel, so even if someone's in the middle, what they capture is unreadable. Tip 2. Check for the padlock and HTTPS before entering any password or payment. No padlock? Don't type anything sensitive. Tip 3. Never ignore browser security warnings. That your connection is not private message is often the only sign of an attack. Back out immediately. Tip 4. Turn off Auto Connect so your phone doesn't silently join unknown networks on its own. And tip 5. Save banking and sensitive logins for trusted networks. Your mobile data or home Wi-Fi. A man-in-the-middle attack works because it stays invisible. But now you know how it works and how to shut it down. Use a VPN, watch for the padlock, and never ignore those warnings. If this helped you, subscribe to CyberFact. Stay aware. Stay secure.